Now you'll need this tool for precision. And we're going to take this tool with us over to our workshop over there. Then, afterwards, once we got it down to the nitty-gritty, we're going to use this to really get the edges soft and smooth and looking really nice. We fashioned this into an arrowhead formation to give it the most strength. Now, we have these on the wrong side. I'm going to place them over here. We want to figure out the optimal positioning of these blocks of wood in order for us to be able to paddle correctly, to use the maximum amount of strength. So this actually turns out good for me because right where they hit up against the other blocks of wood is about where I would prefer them, I think. But Eric Hall will try this next.
We try to make this so that it will be compatible with different body sizes. Mainly my brother's legs are longer, but I'm thinking that probably where he's got them here, I think it's going to work. And really, I'll tell you what I'd really like to do. I'd really like to put the seat down lower, like about 3 inches.
So we thought we had a problem. We thought we had put this in the wrong way. We went ahead and placed it in the way that we thought, corrected, but there's no way, absolutely no way that we're going to have our feet way back like this. So, without further ado, we're going to take this out, turn it around, place the blocks as we had originally placed them, and go ahead and screw them into the board. So, polishing off here. Okay, that looks good. That's good right there. And okay. All right. And one more corner. All right. That's perfect. Okay, we are beginning the trip. The test modifications are all made, and it's time to go test it out.
Here the day's coming. We've got our test setup. It's all ready. We've got our oars here, and we're going to try it out and see if this really works. So we got our crew here, Eric the Gray, and the cameraman at the moment, Mark. And let's get started on this.